Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Sekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic, templates. Nowadays, as you know, many of the templates are available to beautification of your web application and websites, which are involving like e-commerce portal and any like blogs or transactional databases which are involving to the application to reflecting the data on each and every time how it is. The template which you are beautification and which are available in the market, you just pick it ready-madely. You can integrate into your own Django framework. How it is easy by making very simple steps. How it is explained in the video session. Watch it.
Hello, welcome to this session. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to inbuild and invoke the templates in Django framework. Till now, we have covered in the topics of Django framework, creating of the modules and package creation like app and migration we have seen, and admin panel enabling we have seen, and customizing the admin panel of the models as we created we have seen till now. Now the model, what we are going to be representing a particular model data, the table what we have inserted the data, we need to fetch the data and populating at the browser's place, that is in the end user's client's place. We will see one by one steps how it will be possible. Now we have to render first, get the data to our view of the from the model. Go to the products app and expand it, and under the views there is an index request is there. On index page I am going to preparing for getting the populating the data and showing here. Now I am preparing here like products I have a variable. Now the products class we need to import the thing first one here, like earlier we have done in the admin.py, like local, like what we have to use as a product from import. Now you'll see here models. From the models we need to import the products. Models, take products. All right, now see here products, it's an equal to what are the products here, and products class. Once we have done from models, we are importing the products class name. Now here what we want to write here is declare one variable, it's a products equal to class name of the products dot objects all, and the function I'm calling all the objects. And now return from the here I want to return there, then I'm going to return TURN, return render of the request. What is the page I'm going to requesting? Index.html, the page I'm going to create. Okay, and with this page what I want to pass from here, see within the curly braces, which I will understand what it's going to be. The products it's like a dictionary I'm passing from here. Serious products. All right, now see here as a keyword, this is the product I have defined. With this products keyword I am passing the values of this. Okay, how many parameters are the table and the model, it will be group it and accumulated and appended to the dictionary, and it will be written. For the convenient purpose you can take an enter over here, it can be possible. Now come back to the products folder and right click and add a new folder for templates. Now see here, come back to the products folder, and now it's in a right click here, new, you can call it as a directory. You can add in a directory and name it as in a templates. TAMPLATES. Templates. Under the templates you need to create a name file Yes, under the templates, you can create a file name is called index.html. Now see here is a file index.html. Yes. Now you simply design something here for H1 you can create. If you are familiar with this, all the things like a HTML, it's a very easy to write this HTML page. Otherwise, you follow me. The basics, I know that simple. I know that it's a H1 press tab. It will create H1 tag. Products. So products, and second thing is in a products. I want to show in a display in a ordered list and list items like a UL I have created here for UL and list item for the LI list tab list item 1. Now ITM1 and the same thing for list item 2. It's a list item no LI tab between item 2, so on. Any number of items you can use for something. I'm showing an example for 3 items for this. Here we go. Save it and verify. At the particular time, we have implemented here in the views, we have prepared for this object to be rendering and passing to the HTML page, index.html page, and path we have specified over there, and same thing is accessible in the browser or not. Same thing. For the purpose, we have to enter here and go to index. Yes, in this products, we have to verify this. Now hit enter. Now see, we are able to accessing that page of index.html. Have you seen what we have written in the index.html? Yes, this one. What we have written in the index.html, it is going to be displaying over there. Simply. Now we are able to accessing this page. Now what my requirement is, under the views we are anyhow returning the dictionary of the products. For this dictionary of the products, I'm going to involve over here. For that, I can write like in a curly braces, percentile. Now this is the syntax, like a right line of the tags. That Python code will be interpreter will treat it as a Python code. That is very important. For loop, I am implementing reading all the information about the products. Now the products for product, like yes, you can say that product in products. Reading this products, what are the products are available in this product line, and for loop I need to terminate like using with this end loop percentile. It's an end for that way what we have to define here. And now in between there is an li called li list item. In between the list item, I want to show the name of the product. First one thing I will display name of the product. Rest we can do a simple manner like DOCT product dot name. That's it. The item which is identifying here and item dot name I am defining and removing these static lines. Now we will see. Run this program. Yes, it's almost in the running status only. Just refresh the page. Oh, beauty! Orange and apple. It's coming from the database. Have you observed this? These two products I have added in the database table and using the admin panel, and it's coming here. Alright, if you want to show the price beside the form of this HTML page, just simply you need to add here one more field of price, the product like a space product dot price. That's it. Now refresh it with page 1.99. If you want to show this in the places, it will be like you can place it and beautify. You can beautify it. If the dollar, you can place the dollar, or else your currency number you can place there and reload it. See how it is. Orange this much, apple this much. This is the completely dynamic data which is we are fetching from the database table. All you understand about it, I think. The value which you are going to be writing is in a double curly braces. It is treated as in a Python code over here. As much simple. All right. Now the next session we will see how we can beautify the pages and all in the our these are the things. These are the pages how we can beautify by adding bootstrap. Thank you for watching this session.
I hope it will be useful to you. Thanks for watching Eagle Education. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. For more information regarding these sessions, my contact details are available at description below. Thank you.